first racer is about to get here. We're about to witness who gets here before the others. Who takes the win back home? All of us, we can see that the same team that keeps on making history gets closer to the finish line before the others. Congratulations, number 35. Amashimeshe cyane kuri nimero 30 nje gutsinda ino stage yacu ya nyuma aine twita finale.
We are really happy. The emotions now. Our beginning wasn't that easy. That we saw at the beginning. My bike was not here, but every day we won a stage. At the end, very lucky now.
Yeah, we are really lucky because of the problems with the bike. But we solved that, and we wanted to win because it is so nice place, Lake Kivu. So there was from the beginning everything the full gas. So and we're happy to win here on that magical place. I was my second time in Rwanda, first time the race, but I was already in 2016 in Rwanda. But beautiful country, nice people, and only next time less rain, please. So the Kenyan guys were really strong because on the long climbs, and also some Rwandese teams. Also in the long climbs, but I think they have improved their technical skills, and then they become really good riders.
You have to know we are both a bit older riders with a lot of experience in stage racing, and in a stage race you can only win when you have experience. When you have strong legs, that's good, but you also need the experience, and that is, I think, the key we had.
Yeah, for sure.
The last week, and when the Rwandan or the African riders also will have that experience, and they will be really strong, yes.
For sure.
Congratulations, gentlemen, number 48 for also securing the Congratulations to the team 43 for also finishing the next riders making their way to the finish line is Team 31. A big round of applause to them. Congratulations to the finish line. A big round. Number 41. Yes. Number 41. Now down to the finish.
Amazina ni Twaranze Valence nkabonye ni ikipe ya Twinirex. Niyo nari ndi gukinira nyine muri Rwanda Epic, ariko ubusanzwe muri road race nyinira SINA Cycling Club. Ikintu nkuyemo muri Rwanda Epic nkuyemo nize gukata amakorosi, ntabwo nari mbimenyereye, none ari nyine bwa mbere. Ikintu nkuyemo gukata amakorosi muri road race andamanuka nta kibazo. Imihanda yo yari igoranye cyane, ako gutinyuka nibyo bya mbere. Twaratinyutse dukina n'abazungu, kandi ubusanzwe ntabwo twari tubikina, ariko gutinyuka ubundi icyizere nicyo cya mbere ku mukino. Intego yanjye mfite ubu mu mwaka utaha, ikintu nshaka ni ukuzurira podium ndi uwa mbere. Ikintu cyatumutije kuko dukinira ikipe ya SINA Girard, kandi kwa SINA Girard nta kintu kiburayo, nta kintu ibintu byose bibaye, kuko uravuga ngo byose ni kuri Nyirangarama.
Intego dufite mu gihe kizaza ni ukuvuga ngo nuko dufite intego yo kuzurira stage tukaza ku mwanya wa mbere, kuko ubu ni inshuro ya mbere, kandi uko twagize ikibazo cyo kudutenguza cy'amagaye nabwo ntago twari kuza muri twari kubura kurira podium, ako n'umwanya tujeho nta kibazo guradushimishije, nta kibazo kabisa. Kunyura mu mihanda imeze kuriya ni imihanda iteye ubwoba, bisaba gutinyuka, kandi ikintu cyose iyo witinyutse kirashoboka kigakorwa. Rero ni ukuvuga ngo iyo witinyutse ibintu byose bigenda neza, natwe twaritinyutse dusanga birakunze. Aheza urebye nk'umukinnyi wenze ukina imikino yose ukareba ukuntu hose biba bihagaze, ni ukuvuga ngo ari muri kaburimbo, ari mountain bike, byose wabikina ibintu bikagenda neza nta kibazo.
The race was very good. I'm very happy with how it went. Still people are arriving at this moment, but we had over 100 people starting. Most of them will also be finishing the race. I'm very happy with that. We had some very good competition. in all categories, male, female and mixed. So overall, very happy. We just keep growing every year. I think what is the secret is just to have a good event. People, they tell their friends, they tell their colleagues. Next year, more people want to come. That's the simple secret. Next edition, we want to grow a bit more as well, but maybe we also want to start changing the courses a bit. Now, the stages were very similar to last year. It's because we spent a lot of time in making the perfect route. But next year, we hope to find some new routes, maybe go to different districts as well. So in 2020, when we started, there was no other mountain bike race in all of Rwanda. So this year, we saw the national championships being organized. And I heard of other districts and places that also want to organize mountain bike racing. It's a big goal of us to increase the level of mountain biking in this country, so that again, in the future Olympic Games, World Championships, we can have Rwandan athletes also there. We had a total of 16 different countries, going from everywhere, from Colombia to Europe to all over Africa, South Africa to Greece, so really from everywhere.
Do you think to grow the number for the next year? The countries, the number of countries?
We will always be very international, and I hope to grow the number, but I also hope to grow the number of regional countries. This year we had people from Kenya quite a lot. There was a team of Tanzania that unfortunately got sick just before the race, but I really want to have people from all neighboring countries also participating. So of course UCI 25 is road cycling, is not mountain biking. But a lot of people all over the world, thanks to UCI 25, are looking at Rwanda as a place to go cycling. They are now discovering Rwanda as a paradise for cyclists. But of course you can't just sign up for the World Championship, you need to qualify. So people who want to go to Rwanda, do a competition, we give them the chance to do it mountain biking and discover not just the main roads, but also the small parts of Rwanda, the little villages, the beautiful landscapes and the volcanoes and the Twin Lakes.